following counties in New York: Allegheny, Cattaraugus, Chautauqua, Erie, Genesee, and Wyoming, and the following: Ripley to Dunkirk, Dunkirk to Buffalo along Lake Erie, and Buffalo to Ripley beyond 5 miles from shore. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio.